Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the AC clutch relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So if the air conditioner AC clutch does not work guys, we have a special video that explains why air conditioner doesn't work and why air conditioner blows hot air. We'll demonstrate on that generation here. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model right here. It will work for both. You guys have up to 4 different fuse boxes. Today we will be working just one that's under the hood. Open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under this cover here. Open it, behind it you will find a fuse boxes with a layout just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now, AC clutch. We have multiple videos on our channels how to replace and how to test AC clutch. Check it out. If you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools, AC clutch at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping. The AC clutch relay that we need to check is known as relay number 11, and we're talking about that relay right here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.